If you're dealing with a Samsung washer door locked issue, I know how frustrating it can be, especially when your laundry is stuck inside. This issue usually happens when the washer detects a problem or when a cycle is still in progress. But don't worry, there are a few steps you can try to unlock the door safely. First, let's make sure the cycle has fully completed. Sometimes, if the machine has paused mid-cycle, it might appear that the door is stuck. Try pressing the Start, Pause button to see if it's possible to resume and finish the cycle. If your Samsung washer door locked message persists, the machine might still have water inside. Many Samsung washers lock the door automatically when they sense any remaining water to prevent leaks. To drain the water manually, locate the drain hose near the bottom of the machine, open it, and drain the water into a bucket. Once the water is drained, unplug the washer for a few minutes. Then plug it back in to see if the door will release. If the door is still locked, you might be dealing with an issue in the control system or the locking mechanism itself. Power surges, for instance, can cause the control panel to misread signals, keeping the Samsung washer door locked. To reset the control system, unplug your washer from the power source and leave it off for 5 to 10 minutes. This can sometimes clear up the control board issue and allow the door to unlock. In the event that your washer door remains locked, it could be a problem with the door latch or door lock assembly. Over time, these parts may wear out or get stuck. If you're comfortable with minor repairs, you can attempt to access the door lock mechanism by unscrewing the front panel. If the latch is simply stuck, gently releasing it might do the trick. However, if you suspect the lock mechanism is broken, it's best to contact a professional technician, as replacing it on your own can be a bit tricky without the right tools. Regular maintenance can prevent many issues that cause the Samsung washer door locked error. Always avoid overloading the washer, as a heavy load can put pressure on the door latch, making it more likely to lock up. And make sure to clean the door seal regularly, as dirt and debris buildup can affect the locking mechanism. If none of these steps work and your Samsung washer door locked issue persists, reaching out to Samsung support or scheduling a service call might be necessary. A professional technician can quickly diagnose the issue and help you get your washer back in working order.